name is Bailey McIlroy, and this is Naughty Marietta from Naughty Marietta by Victor Herbert. There are two little maidens that live in my heart, and one is so good, like this. She look comme ça, and she talk la la, like butter would melt my kiss. But the other little maiden that's also me has a temper so warm it's torrid. So when I am good, I am very good indeed. But when I am bad, I am horrid. Naughty Marietta, come